Yo, what's going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones, and welcome back to another video. Today is a dope video. I'm very excited to bring y'all this video because a lot of people customize Air Force Ones, but I haven't seen nobody that customized a pair of Air Force Ones like this. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. We super close to 100,000 subscribers, and as y'all can see, I upload very consistently different types of content, different type of stuff. Hopefully you like it. Like I said, comment down below if you enjoyed the video. But without further ado, let's get into it. The back, okay, we got the Air Force One. As we all know, the Air Force One is like one of the most classic, one of the most reputable sneakers out of all sneakers. I mean, at the end of the day, if we was to do a poll on Twitter or Instagram, by the way, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. If I was to ask people on a poll, like, what is the most common sneaker in sneaker culture? I think 100% the shoe that will win is the Air Force One. I think the Air Force One is making a comeback. A lot of people were skating past the Air Force Ones, but now Virgil's getting a hold of them, Undefeated is getting a hold of them, and even Travis Scott and so many other people have done Air Force One collaborations. I think Air Force One is slowly beginning to take over. Just like how the Dunk came back, and I think eventually the foam pods will come back, mark my words. Bye-ya! Here we have the Nike By You box, because if you decide to customize any Nike Air Force One, it is by the Nike Design By You option that's on Nike.com. Now, originally I had no idea, or I had no intentions on making or creating the Air Force One. It just actually happened because I actually wanted these, but not this exact pair. I wanted the Fragment low. This is the Air Jordan Travis Scott low, the OG, but as y'all know, the Air Jordan 1 low Travis Scott Fragment low recently came out, and I knew it would be super hard to get. So by me already having the low OGs, and of course the Air Jordan 1 high OG, I wanted that Fragment because, bro, I ain't gonna cap, that Fragment was something different. Just like y'all, I went on Nike sneakers, I went on TravisScott.com, and I actually got a fat L. I want y'all to focus in on that. That's me. L. I knew I didn't want to pay resale, right? Resale for this shoe is going for extremely too much for me. For example, I paid $1,000 for this Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott low, and I just didn't want to pay $1,000 or more for the Fragment low. So I was just like, yo, bro, I can't do it this time. I don't want to do it. And as I pop up on the screen right now, the Air Jordan 1 Fragment low is going for $1,300. I didn't want to pay that, bro. So what I decided to do was go on Nike ID or NikeByYou.com and create my own version of the Air Jordan 1 Fragment Travis Scott low. Down below in the comments, tell me how I did. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna show y'all, and here we go. Bow, here it is, man. This is the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott Fragment low inspired sneaker. Now, I was actually supposed to send this over to my homie by the name of Daniel Customs. If you guys don't know who Daniel Custom is, he's like a great sneaker designer. Also is very known for the backwards swoosh. So the only thing I wish I would have did, bro, I ain't gonna hold you, I wish I would have got that backwards Nike swoosh on this Air Force One, which he know how to do. What's crazy is I sent this shoe to him by UPS, and weirdly they just sent it back to my apartment after I made the shipping label. I don't know what happened. I might still send these over to him and let him do it just so I can see the work he do is amazing, and just post it on my Instagram. So if y'all don't follow me on Instagram or Twitter, it's linked down below. And also, guys, I do have a website where I sell a bunch of my sneakers. If you've never seen me or never been to my website before, Snipes Closet is linked down below. It's a bunch of shoes going for a steal right now as we speak. So take advantage of those steals because, I mean, I'm selling shoes, but I can't wear them all. So the idea behind this sneaker, as you can see, is an exact replica of the Air Jordan Travis Scott Fragment low because that was my favorite sneaker out of the high versus the low. I even decided to do like with the sail midsole. As you can see, I got the sail Nike swoosh. I got the sail laces as well, and I even got like that dope anklet right there, that Nike swoosh on there as well. Checking out the bottom, man, we got this nice baby blue. It's not the same exact color as the Fragment. I didn't get it right on the dot, but I do believe it's pretty good of a match. Something very cool about this whole process is how fast these get out to you. These were supposed to get to me in like 3 months. It wound up getting to me in like less than a week, and that's very fast. I mean, I still got shoes that I'm waiting on from StockX that I bought over a month ago. So if y'all can create me an entire shoe and get it to me before I get a shoe that's already made and just need to be shipped off from StockX, that is a plus. But everything from the detailing, everything from the leather quality on the shoe is fire to me. I'm gonna be showing y'all B-roll of the shoe. I'm gonna be showing y'all all different types of angles, but one thing that really shocked me was the leather quality that's on this Air Force One. I do own Travis Scott Air Force Ones in my collection, but even though this is not a Travis Scott, because I mean, you know, I kind of made it, this is still probably my favorite Air Force One in my entire collection. Immediately when I saw this, or immediately when I saw the idea, I was on Twitter, I seen somebody had an idea kind of similar to it. I did take the template for the most part, but I did recreate some stuff to make it my own. I thought that I did an amazing job at how it came out. Now, I even bought some of the Travis Scott Fragment merch that hasn't came yet. I don't know what's taking so long. I bought a shirt, I also bought a hoodie, but the Fragment merch will go exactly with these Air Force Ones. Now, for my people who are feeling these, man, because I know some of y'all feeling these, and I also know some of y'all probably like, Snipe, yo, bro, you being cheap, all right? You being janky. It's not about me being cheap. Well, at least not all the way. All right, part of me did this because I didn't want to spend $1,300, but another part of me did it is because I just love the idea and the colorway and the model of the Travis Scott Fragment low. And I was like, look, I can spend $140 on creating my own design. And of course, I'm a content creator. I thought this would be a dope idea to make content around like it's never been done before. Or maybe it has, because a lot of people do a lot of customizations on YouTube, but I have not seen anybody make a Fragment Air Force One on YouTube yet. Doesn't mean it's not out there. I just haven't seen it. So I thought it'd be an amazing opportunity for some dope content, something new that y'all haven't seen before. And I know it's still a community out there that love Air Force Ones and some people that are probably really enjoy this content. Now, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna move this one out the way and I'm gonna throw up the actual Travis Scott Fragment low on the other side of the screen, just so y'all can see like the similarities that these might have and the differences as well. Like, I couldn't get it spot on. Nike.com definitely does a great job with allowing you a lot of options whenever you're designing your own shoe, but however, you always can't get it exactly the same, okay? It's a lot of this stuff is kind of default, and to a T, I couldn't get it exactly like the Travis Scott Fragment low, but I believe I did the best that I could do, you know what I'm saying? Like, the best of my abilities is in this shoe right here. I think everything except the backward swoosh is hidden, and like I said, that will be changed soon. I wish it could have been done before the video, man, because I know for a fact y'all would have definitely enjoyed that part. Hands down, one of my favorite things I've ever done on this channel, just being creative, giving y'all some dope content, and I really love how it came out. Now, I've never been one to like create a sneaker or even been one to think about my own sneaker, but doing stuff like this definitely had me thinking like, damn, what would I do if I had my own shoe? Like, what silhouette would I choose? What colorway? What material? It was a lot that went into designing the sneaker. I've seen YouTubers collaborate with other brands before. I remember when Tony Bull, I believe it was Sneakerhead in the Bay. It was a few other people as well that collaborated and made deals and made sneakers with Saucony. That was amazing. As y'all seen recently, the homie Kais had collabed, and Seth Fowler also collabed with Underdog and made their own sneakers too. I give him a lot of respect, bro, because this was like the beginning. This is like that beginning stage of creating your own shoe to the point where it's just a Nike ID. I can only imagine like the process of what happens when you actually creating your own shoe. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, brands give you help or something like that, but it's definitely something that I would look forward to now, doing a process where I pretty much had an idea and I was able to put it all together on a sneaker. So guys, tell me your thoughts and opinions on my version of the Air Jordan 1 Fragment Travis Scott low in the comment section. I think I did pretty good. I'm gonna give this a 8.5, 9, all right? I feel like that's That suffice. Anything lower than that is disrespectful, all right? I mean that. What I want y'all to do is comment down below. Give me like a 1 out of 10. And also, if you enjoyed the comments, make sure you smash up the like button. Do not forget to head over to my website where I'm selling sneakers for a steals and deals. I mean, you really can't. Some of these shoes only going for $100. Some of them going for like $60. So you can't beat it. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter if you want to see more updates on sneaker news, or if you want to see how these gonna look after the reverse swoosh, or if you just want to keep in touch with your boy. Until next time, man, I will link up with y'all. It is your boy Snapper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.